Welcome to Lingua Latina, Chapter 12, Lesson 2. Before we get to the reading, I want to show you on this page where Lesson 2 begins, upper left corner, the Latin praenomina, the Latin first names, because there are not very many of them, and so you should read through this list, say them out loud. Aulus, Gaius, Decimus, Lucius, Marcus, Publius, Quintus, Sextus, Titus, and look at the abbreviations, because this is almost an extensive list, almost complete. There are maybe 4 names that are left off. So the first names of Roman citizens would usually follow this pattern, almost always. So let's look down at our reading. Section 2. We start with Julia. Julia is having a conversation with her dad, Julius, about Roman soldiers, because her uncle is a soldier. So Julia says, Quid agunt milites Romani in Germania? Julius, milites nostri in Germania pugnant. Julia, me quoque fratres pugnant. Julius, pueri pugnis, non armis pugnant. Milites pugnant gladiis, pilis, hastis. Marcus. Num Aemilius et hastam et pilum fert. Julius. Aemilius pilum patantum fert. Is enim pedes est, non eques. Eques est miles qui ex equo pugnat. Qui pedibus pugnat, pedes est. Equites hastas, pedetes pila ferunt. Pilum non tam longum est quam hasta. Neque gladius pedetis tam longus est quam gladius equitis. Pilum Aemilii sex pedes longum est. Okay, so let's go back, and after you've read that in Latin, remember, the reason we do the Latin pronunciation is we want to learn this Latin as Latin, okay, and not always translate it in our minds, and also to hear all the endings so that we have an an auditory memory of the endings when we try to create our own forms. So Julia says, what do Roman soldiers do in Germany? Julius says, our soldiers fight in Germany. Julia says, my brothers also fight. Julius, the boys fight with their fists, not with weapons, armis. Soldiers fight with gladiis, swords, javelins, spears. Here's a picture of a pugnus, right? Pugni, second declension masculine, fist. Moving on to the rest of the section. Marcus says, num means surely not, right? None is surely yes, expects yes answer. Here is expecting a no answer. Surely Aemilius doesn't carry both a spear and a javelin. And Julius says, Aemilius carries only a javelin, for he is a foot soldier, a pedes, not a knight, non eques. Here in the margin we have pedes peditis, foot soldier. See, this is third declension. Pedes, peditis, pediti, etc. And eques, equitus, equity, etc. for knight. An eques, a knight, is a milis, a soldier who fights from horseback, from an equus. The one who is a foot soldier, a pedes, fights on his feet, pedibus, from pedis. Knights carry spears, foot soldiers carry javelins. A javelin is not as long as a spear, and the gladius of a foot soldier is not as long as the gladius of a knight. The javelin of Aemilius is 6 feet long. And here we have the accusative of length, or of duration. Try that 3 times, and I'll see.